Hi guys, today we're gonna know how to make a slime cake. We need the sum of the slime and we need to make of them pieces. This. This.
I wish there was a blue one.
This.
Oh, you made a poopy.
And then we need this cup, like that cup. And we need the coin. I will put the coin inside. Then we're putting everything at here. El cheater, come! Now my friend come to try find the coins.
I found it, guys! I found it. If you like this video, in 3, 2, 1, subscribe to him.
I don't subscribe to it again. I need to.
Retry.